Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you've got some drywall repairs to do or some drywall taping, you're gonna wanna get the right tools to make the job a lot easier. This is a corner trowel from Marshalltown that has totally saved us. So we are new to drywall taping, drywall repairs, and we were trying to do this with a regular style putty knife to get into the corners, and wow, it was so difficult. This is definitely a total game changer. So this is perfectly angled at 4 by 5 inches to get right into those corners and make a super straight line and a really good strong seam when you are taping in a corner. So it's definitely worth having the right tool to save you a lot of frustration and a lot of time from trying to use just whatever you've got. This is definitely going to do the trick. So it's made from a really durable piece of stainless steel. It has a really nice cushioned handle and grip, so you can use it for a long time and not get tired, and you're going to be really happy with the results. So whether you're a pro or an amateur, this is a great option for corners when you are working with drywall taping. I would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.